Unit 5 Active Microwave Components. So there is a broad range of microwave semiconductor devices which are being improved since 1960, and the microwave solid state devices are being used in oscillator, amplifier, detector, switches, mixers, frequency multipliers and modulators. So the semiconductor devices are well known because the vacuum tube devices such as a magnetrons, klystrons and traveling wave tubes are heavy and weighty. So moreover, these vacuum tube devices need a large voltage for their working and require a large space. And the basic semiconductor used in microwave devices are gallium arsenide, silicon, germanium and indium phosphate. So what is semiconductor microwave devices? The devices are electronic devices such as diode, transistor or IC, and it is used in high frequency application. So more famous microwave semiconductor devices are microwave transistor, which consists of microwave BJT, HBT, tunnel diode. Field effect transistor consists of JFET, MS FET, HMET, MOSFET, NMOS, PMOS, CMOS, memories and CCD. Transfer electron devices are gun diode, LSA diode, IPN diode, INP diode, CDT diode, and avalanche transit time devices are read diode, impact diode, trap diode, and batch diode. So these are microwave semiconductor devices, and the most popular microwave solid state devices are bipolar transistor, that is BJT, field effect transistor, that is FET, tunnel diodes, transfer electron devices, the limited space charge accumulation diode, impact diode, trap diode, Barrett diode, HEMT diode and PIN diode. So the solid state microwave devices are broadly used in radar, navigational communication and industrial electronics and medical and biological equipment. So the devices diodes which consist of pin diode, gun diode, impact diode, Schottky diode, varactor diode, backward diode, transistors and ICs are also there. Now energy band in semiconductor devices. The energy band of semiconductor devices are very essential in their electrical behavior. So in any semiconductor devices, there is a forbidden energy region. In this forbidden energy region, the state cannot be allowed. The energy band above the forbidden energy is known as the conduction band. The bottom of the conduction band is denoted by EC, and the energy band below the forbidden band is known as valence band, and the top of the valence band is denoted by EV. The separation between the lowest conduction band and the highest valence band is known as a band gap energy, and the band gap energy is denoted by Eg. The band gap energy is more essential parameter in semiconductor. So microwave bipolar first is tunnel diode. So, in 1958, Leo Isaki, a Japanese scientist, discovered that if a semiconductor junction diode is heavily doped with impurities, then it will have a region of negative resistance. So the tunnel diode was discovered by a Japanese scientist named Isaki in 1958. The tunnel diode is a PN junction diode with extreme heavily doped on both sides of the junction and an abrupt transition from the P side to N side. So due to the heavy doping, the width of the depletion region becomes very thin and an overlap occurs between the conduction band level on the N side and the valence band level on the P side. The tunnel diode are heavily doped PN junction that have a negative resistance over a portion of its VI characteristic. So at this point di by dV is 0. The normal junction diode uses semiconductor material which are lightly doped with 1 impurity atom for 10 million semiconductor atoms, and this low doping level results in relatively wide depletion region. Conduction occurs in the normal junction diode only if the voltage applied to it is large enough to overcome the potential barrier of the junction. In the tunnel diode, the semiconductor material used in forming a junction are doped to the extent of 1000 impurity atom for 10 million semiconductor atoms. So this heavy doping produces an extremely narrow depletion zone similar to that in Zener diode, and also because of the heavy doping, also because of heavy doping, a tunnel diode exhibits an unusual current voltage characteristic curve. The three most important aspects of this characteristic curve are forward current increase to a peak with a small applied forward bias, decreasing forward current with an increasing forward bias to a minimum valley current, and normal increasing forward current with a further increase in the bias voltage. So the portion of the characteristic curve between IP and IB is the region of negative resistance. Now here is a diagram which shows the VI characteristic and the symbol of the tunnel diode. So there is a forward bias operation and reverse bias operation. Now in forward bias operation, under the under normal forward bias operation, as the voltage begin to increase, the electron at first tunnel through a very narrow p-n junction barrier, because filled electron states in the conduction band on n side become aligned with empty valence band hole states on the p side of the p-n junction. As the voltage increases further, these states become more misaligned and the current drop. This is called negative resistance because the current decreases with increasing voltage. As the voltage increases yet further, the diode begin to operate as a normal diode, where electrons travel by the conduction across the p-n junction and no longer by tunneling through the p-n junction barrier. Thus, the most important operating region of tunnel diode is negative resistance region. Now reverse bias operation, when used in reverse direction, they are called back diode, and it can act as a fast rectifies with zero offset voltage and extreme linearity for power signals, and they have an accurate square law characteristic in the reverse direction. So under reverse bias, field states on the p side becomes increasingly aligned with empty state on the n side, and electrons now tunnel through the p-n junction barrier in reverse direction, and this is Zener effect that can also occur in Zener diode. The tunnel diode is a PN junction with extreme heavily doping on both sides, and the tunnel diode are useful to many circuit applications. In microwave amplification and oscillation because of low cost, lightweight, high speed, low noise and high peak to valley current ratio. The tunnel diode exhibits the negative resistance because of thin junction and short transit time. The tunnel diode exhibit the negative resistance. Because of the thin junction and short transit time, the tunnel diode is also useful for fast switching, and the tunneling phenomenon is known as a quantum mechanical tunneling. The tunneling phenomenon is majority carrier effect, and because of heavy doping, the depletion region becomes very narrow. So the tunneling phenomenon in tunnel diode is known as quantum mechanical tunneling. As we know, the tunnel diode is a negative resistance PN junction diode. This negative This negative resistance is created by the tunnel effect of electron in the p-n junction, and the tunnel effect is a majority carrier effect. So the doping of both p and n region of the tunnel diode is very high. Due to this, the depletion barrier at the junction is very thin, so on the order of 100 ampere. And to understand the tunnel effect, we analyze the energy band and diagram of tunnel diode. Now the first condition is under unbiased condition, that is V is equal to 0. So the equilibrium energy level diagram of tunnel diode with no bias is applied, and due to the heavy doping, the valence band of the p side overlaps the conduction band of n side. Under unbiased condition, the upper level of the electron energy of both p side and n side are under unbiased condition, the upper level of the electron energy of both p side and n side are line up at same Fermi level. So tunneling on thin barrier is 0, and it exists in the valence bond in p side and in conduction band in n side. Here is a diagram which shows the energy band under no bias. Here this diagram shows the energy band when V is in between 0 and Vp. So these are 4 different conditions. And here is the VI characteristic of tunnel diode. Here is the equivalent circuit of the tunnel diode, which consists of junction capacitance, negative junction resistance, ohmic series resistance due to lead wire, and series inductance of the bonding wire. So at high frequency, the series resistance and inductance can be ignored, and the resulting diode equivalent circuit is thus reduced to the parallel combination of the junction capacitance Cj and the negative resistance. The junction capacitance of the tunnel diode is highly dependent on the bias voltage and temperature. So these are the advantages of tunnel diode. And there are several advantages of tunnel diode. The tunnel diode has a less weight, high speed, low noise and low cost. It requires very simple DC power supply. Low noise figures a less than we can say 5 dB to 10 gigahertz due to low current levels. Then broadband operation is possible and immune to the natural radiation in the solar system and suitable for a space communication. Also width, a wide range of the tuning, either mechanical or electrical, is possible, and for low power application the tunnel diode replaces the reflex klystron. Then there are some disadvantages also, that the tunnel diode is rarely used these days, and this results from its disadvantage. So the first disadvantage is that the tunnel diode have low tunneling current, and this means that there are low power device. Many tunnel diodes are used in oscillator as a further amplification is needed, and it can be undertaken by devices that have a higher power capability. That is not tunnel diode. Then there are problem with the reproductivity of the tunnel diode, resulting in low yield and therefore high production cost. There are applications of the tunnel diodes are, the first application is tunnel diode as an amplifier, and second application is tunnel diode as an oscillator. Now the tunnel diode can be used as a reflection amplifier by using a circulator to isolate the source from load. And in tunnel diode oscillator circuit, the tank circuit is coupled with a diode by means of capacitive divider. Now when the power is switched on, a surge current initiates a oscillation in the tank circuit, and the DC bias is adjusted at the center of the negative resistance characteristic of the diode by the help of RC value. So the sustained oscillations occur if the magnitude of the negative resistance of the diode is equal or greater than the resistance of the tank circuit. And the tunnel diode oscillator circuit can generate a microwave signal up to frequencies of about 100 gigahertz. So there are technical comparison of tunnel diode with normal PN diode. In conventional semiconductor diode, the conduction takes place while the PN junction is forward biased and block a current flow when the junction is reverse biased, and this occurs up to a point known as reverse breakdown voltage. When conduction begins in tunnel diode, the dopant concentration in P and N layers are increased to a point where the reverse breakdown voltage becomes zero and the diode conducts in the reverse direction. However, when forward bias, an odd effect occurs called quantum mechanical tunneling, which gives rise to a region where an increase in forward voltage is accompanied by a decrease in forward current. The tunnel diode can also be used as a low noise microwave amplifier. So, more conventional semiconductor devices have surpassed its performance using a conventional oscillator technique. For many purpose, three-terminal device such as FET is more flexible than a device with only two terminals. So, practical tunnel diode operate at few milliampere and a few tenth of the volt, making them a low power device. The tunnel diode also relatively resistant to a nuclear radiation as compared to other diodes. So this makes them well suited to higher radiation environments such as those found in the space applications. The tunnel diode also showed the great promise as an oscillator and high frequency threshold device, since it would operate at frequencies well into the microwave band. The application for the tunnel diode include the local oscillator for UHF television tuner, trigger circuit in oscilloscope, and high speed counter circuit and very fast rise time pulse generator circuit. And so this is all about the tunnel diode. Thank you.